Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, in another tutorial that I want to share with you. So as you see there on my screen, I created consistent animation video. So I want to share with you guys what are the tools that I've used. So I use the Hello, I don't know how you pronounce it, but you will see it on my video. And then I use ChatGPT and I use Artistly to create these characters and to create this consistent video. I use Halo software, and if you want to try guys, so please go ahead and try for yourself. Alright, so without any further ado, before I go to my computer, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like and share this video. And without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Alright guys, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and the first step that we're going to ask ChatGPT is to give at least, let's say 10 or 20, okay, let's say 20 and 20 prompts to create a short kid story with two main characters. Okay, so let's name the characters. So one is a boy named Ben and a girl named Mia. Okay, let's do this. All right, so now here the 20 story. So you have take your time guys to choose which one do you want. All right, so now I choose the tiny dragon. So I'm just gonna copy this one, a tiny dragon, and paste here. Okay, and then before you send it, we can say ChatGPT to write the full story, and click enter, and then we want to get the story of the tiny dragon. Alright, so now once the story created, we're going to open a new tab. Okay, alright, so and now here guys, we're going to paste the prompt. The prompt that I'm going to use here guys is on the description, so you can just copy and paste and follow the process. Alright, so now here we're going to paste the prompt. Okay, and then we're going back to the story, and then we're going to copy the whole story, go back and paste the story here. Okay, before you send it. All right, so now here you see guys that it's generating the prompt. So the prompt is analyzing the story and the character of the story, which is Ben and Mia. So here is the Ben character prompt, and this is Mia character prompt. So next is we need to create an image for Ben and Mia. To do that, this is the time that we're going to jump into Artistly. Alright, now we are here in Artistly and we're going to create a design. Go to Fast AI Image Designer and go to AI Art Illustrator. Okay, from here, I'm gonna use this this Pixar style, this one. Okay, and then you just describe the character that you want. So I just want a plain characters, like a little, let's say a little girl standing. Okay, there you go. And then just make 4 quantities so you have a choice, and let's generate the image. And then we're going back to Art Illustrator. Okay, go to Pixar style, and then we're going to a little say a little boy standing. All right, so let's get 4 and generate image, and let's go back. So now we have these 3 images. Then you can choose which one do you want, or you can change this one if you don't like it. So okay, so let's say I'm gonna change this just to generate it until you find the one that you want. This one 4. Okay, maybe I'll say a little girl wearing shorts and t-shirt. Right, so now here is the boy. Then you can choose which one of this, and then now here it is. Okay, so I can get him and her, so they have the same. So okay, what I'm gonna do is once you finish, you're gonna download this one. I'm gonna download it, and I'm gonna name him Ben. All right, and I'm gonna download her, and I'm gonna name her Mia. All right, so once you get your images guys, we're going to Canva. Okay, Canva, or you can you can use any tool that you want. I just need to take the background of these images because we need to have transparent images into our characters. All right, so go to Canva. If you don't have a pro account, you cannot use this, but you can go to other platform that they are offering a free background remover. All right, so now I'm going to download him. Download PNG. Make sure it is on a PNG and transparent background. All right, so I'm just gonna download it. And next we're gonna do the same thing to Mia. Just get me over here, then remove the background. Oops. Okay, then one, save it. All right, for Mia, just remove the background, and at the same time we're going to download her. All right, so now we have our characters. We already removed the background. What we're gonna do next is we're going back to ChatGPT. Okay, so now from here we're going to upload our characters. All right, so here we're going to paste the second prompt. I'll also include into the description so you can use the same prompt. Just change the name, guys, when you use this one. Enter. And then you're gonna do the same process to Ben. And then we're going to use the same prompt that we used to Mia. I'm just copy this one and paste here. And then what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna change the name. Instead of Mia, go Ben. Alright, so now we're going to paste the last prompt here, and before you send it, we're going to copy Mia's prompt. Okay, let's go back here and let's copy her prompt. And then we're going to paste it here. You can use this to any character you want, guys. So we just change the name. So now next we're going to do the same thing to Ben. All right, so now we're going back to the story and we're going to copy the script to create a scene. So next we're going to our main story, and then we're going to copy the first scene. All right, we're going to copy this one, guys, so that we can create a consistent character. So just copy this one because we need a prompt from this before we take it into the next step. Okay, so once we copy this one, and then we're going to paste it here. And then we're going to create so that it will create a prompt in this scene, and then click enter. And then let's just wait for a second while creating a prompt. All right, so now here is the prompt for our first scene. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to copy this one and we're going to halo. All right, so this is the scene prompt. So I'm just going to copy all of this. All right, now so we're going to halo. Here is the halo, and then we're going to paste the prompt that just ChatGPT gave to us. And then over here, guys, we're going to click create. And just let's wait for seconds where halo is creating an image. All right, there you go. So we're going to try to another scene, guys. So let's see if the characters is going to be consistent and the same. And then we're going back to ChatGPT. We're going to copy again the next scene. You're going to paste here and then click create. So we have the same character in our story. So keep going, guys, the same process over and over again until you finish your story. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you like this tutorial and you learned something from it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.